Alright guys, number 16 now, creating a feature template for the external routing OSPF for VPN 0 branch offices. So in here, what I'm doing is I'm running PEC protocol on these devices towards the MPLS as OSPF on this interface. All right, I'm not planning on running it on the interface towards the internet. It's a default route, which we've already done, device specific. I'm not concerned about the headquarter right now. So when I configure the OSPF template, I need to specify for that template, because I'm going to link it to an interface that I'm going to be linking it to gig 0. The other thing in OSPF is the OSPF network type. You need to take a look at the network type that has been specified on the neighbor, which is the MPLS cloud, whether it's broadcast, which is the default. That should not be an issue, but if they've changed it to point-to-point, make sure your side is changed to point-to-point. So before I do this, I'll find out the characteristic of the MPLS cloud, because that's what I'm running the OSPF with. So if MPLS, I'll do a show run to see the characteristics of my interfaces. There's no network type, so the default network type on these interfaces will pick on, let's say E0/1 is broadcast, which is the default on the vEdges as well. So where do I create this OSPF template? Same place, add, specify the type of device, vEdge cloud, and go down. You should have OSPF as a protocol. Specify the characteristic, the name first, BR, vEdge. It is for OSPF for VPN 0. So I'm running OSPF on, oops, BR, VE, OSPF for VPN 0. Copy it, paste it. Now basic configuration, this is on the outside. I don't need to worry about it. Just take the defaults. Everything is okay. The main thing that I need to worry about over here is this guy called area. What interface do I need to enable it in what area? If you take a look at your MPLS, it is running in area 0. See this over here? So I'll match that. New area. Area number is 0 for all of them. Area type, stub, regular, I'm doing normal area. And the interface that I want to run this on, because I'm going to be applying it to VPN 0. It's the interface is gig 0/0, this interface. I'm not running it on this one. I'm running it on this one. Even if I was running on both, I could specify 2 interfaces over here. In my case, I'm going to do it for GE 0/0. And as soon as I do that, it'll show up over here. And if you wanted to change the network type, go to advanced, and I'll give you an option of changing the network type. The default is broadcast, so I don't need to worry about it. And again, be careful with this. Click on add. Don't do save. You need to add it to add area 0 with one interface into your template first. Once it shows up over here, now you're good to save. So the only thing I did under OSPF was area. So now if you take a look at this, we had done these things already in the previous video. We had done this and this already. The only thing that I did now is this guy over here, and which should basically allow me to actually deploy a device template across to my branch offices. This one we might do in a different video. So let's take a look at this now in the next video.